Ayan, malapit na tayo. Hello guys, we are going to Grand Westside Hotel. So, nandito na tayo banda sa may Asiana area. Yan yung Kingsford, sister hotel ng Grand Westside. And then that is, ayan na, yan yung Grand Westside Hotel. So I'm here at the lobby now. Hubby just dropped me off kasi he's gonna pick up the girls pa at the Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Very beautiful lobby and big also. This is one of the restaurants here. Okay, magche-check-in muna ako. So they have a deposit of 2,000 per room per day. Buti na lang may ATM dito banda. Kinash ko na lang instead na mag-credit card. Yun yung ATM. Okay.
Swimming pool and sauna 7 o'clock in the morning hanggang 8 p.m. lang.
Okay.
Room service ma'am, available siya 24 hours.
Alright. So our room is on the South Tower daw. This is the South Tower. So tara, hahabol pa si husband at saka yung mga kids kasi andun pa sila sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Ayan yung elevator. Punta tayo sa 10th floor. Hello! Okay, 10:35. It says. So here. Hello. 10:34, so it should be here. 10:35, so this is my room. Okay. So ito yung room namin. So, pagpasok mo, ayan, there's a mirror. And then here, this is the safe. Tapos, ayan, merong cups and kettle. There's also water. And of course, my fridge is here. Tapos, ito yung parang pinaka-clothes rack nila. Madami namang hanger. Tapos, ito, I have slippers. Diyan, patong mo yung bag mo dyan. And then, this is our queen size bed. Here's the TV. May carpet, pero konti lang. That's good. And then, sofa here. And then here, there's a desk with a chair and a phone. It's nice. It's cute. Hindi siya malaki, but, you know, we just want to try this hotel out. Pwede na. As long as it's clean, it's okay. Okay, let's go check out the bathroom. Ayan yung bathroom. Toilet. Of course, may bidet. Ayan yung mga towel. Hello, everyone. So, ayan yung mirror. Hair dryer, and another mirror. Ito yung may mga glasses, and then some toiletries. And then here, that's the shower area. Okay, very basic. Shower curtain nga lang. Pero, okay naman. Yan, may shampoo and conditioner. And then that's the shower head. Okay, so now let's check the room of my kids. Dun sa kabila. Mas tayo. Ayan, so actually it's a connecting room. Ayun yung sa amin, and then dito yung kanila. So ito yung isang room for the kids. Actually, ang kasama kong kids ngayon ay dalawa lang. Kasi my second daughter is in Singapore right now for an exchange student program. So, dalawa lang talaga na girls na nandito ngayon. Yung panganay at yung bunso. So, ayan. Same amenities din kung ano yung nasa room namin. It's just that yung bed setup is 2 single beds. Ayan. Merong couch, my desk. And also, this is a connecting room, pero nakalak pa eh. I think we should ask for the key for this. So, yung kabila nito is our room. Okay, tingnan natin ang view. Ayan. So, makikita mo dito sa window. Katapat niya ay ang Kingsford Hotel. And there's a body of water. Ano yan? Of course, yan yung Manila Bay. Kasi this hotel stands on a reclaimed area. Okay, let's look at the swimming pool. Dito yata. 5th floor. Oh, there it is. Pag malamig ang pool, I won't swim. Tingnan muna natin. Let's check it out. Oh, there. So, yan yung gym. Mamaya mag-gym ako.
Have you been here before?
No, not yet.
Where are you gonna put your son?
Sa may pool area na tayo. So, ayan. So, this is... Ito yung nasa right. That is the South Tower. Diyan kami. And then, ito naman nasa left. That is the North Tower. There's a construction going on sa kabilang building. Kaya maingay. Okay, so ito yung bathroom sa baba. Sa may swimming pool area. Dito yung mga shower, toilet, and then my steam and my sauna. Ito yung mga locker. So, balik na kami sa room. Let's go. So, I'm not sure if the North Tower is open na. Well, cafe building.
They have tea. What about tea?
We're gonna have dinner muna. May mga decor nila. Very simple but elegant. So, dito rin pala yung buffet breakfast. Yeah. Complimentary bread. Anong salad yan?
I don't know. Katoshal, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Ito, Cajun fries. This is my cappuccino.
Thank you.
Biryani
Nice.
chicken.
Chicken.
Signature West Side Burger. Oh my god, it's so big, Mandy. This is my sugar-free tiramisu.
Mama look. Iranian salad. Middle Eastern salad.
Let's
no, wait.
eat.
There's still more, no?
Actually, dessert lang sa akin. Kasi kumain ako ng madami kanina. It's a chocolate mousse cake. Silipin lang namin yung mga desserts
I
dito.
hope they don't understand.
I like the ensaymada. Looks good, oh. Pistachio muffins. Oh, there's a Father's Day cake.
That's the triple chocolate
Ayan,
mousse cake.
Father's Day cake.
I'm not sure which is the one that
Ayan
I ate a
yata.
while ago.
Hindi. Wala nga dyan. Wala nga daw.
I think it's ubos na, right?
No. I don't know.
Oh my goodness, look at all these desserts. But I'm on a diet. Look at this.
A chocolate chip cookie. So
Rick and
big.
Morty.
Double chocolate. And then,
Let's find a way. You're my little buddy.
okay, let's go back to the room na. Busog na ako eh. Okay, balik na kami sa room dahil tapos na kami mag-dinner. Dito, ito yung bar. Pwede kayong mag-inom-inom.
I'm gonna have my second dose of coffee upstairs.
Hindi. Balik na tayo sa room. Diba? I really like the decor there. Okay, let me check the bathroom here. Okay. Good morning. We're gonna have breakfast today. So, punta tayo sa Cafe by Westside.
Picture mo pa.
Green detox shot. Free detox shot yan. Ah, laki pala nitong area na to. Hindi ko to nakita kagabi. Okay, so dito kami. Tara, let's check out the food. There's pasta. Salad bar. Fruits. Okay, that's the coffee station. Yan, mga assorted drinks. Eggs Benedict. Tocino. Ito crispy and soft bacon. Rice. There's beef bulgogi and mahi-mahi. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Okay. Punta ako sa gym. So, yung gym nandito. Andun yung pool sa taas, tapos yung gym nandito sa left side. Yan. So, yan yung gym. Ibang equipment. Okay, looks like ako lang mag-isa ngayon. So, hanggang dito na lang. This is Nell. Workout muna ako. Bye!